Hello friends, we are from the team Geodos. The name of our project is IsoCOVID. Our aim is to design a product along with a web application to monitor the home isolated COVID patients in real time. The major problem faced by home isolated patients is that they need a caretaker to monitor their health condition. Also, their family members lack the facility to know the health status of home isolated patients. To solve this issue, we have designed a product that monitors the home isolated patients 24/7. Our product detects the information like temperature, SpO2 percentage and heart rate every 30 minutes and updates it on the website, which is accessible by the patient, doctor and their family members. So here is the 3D model of our product. Our product IsoCOVID has a OLED display along with a pulse oximeter sensor through which SpO2 percentage and heart rate is monitored. The tech stack used for software development includes HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. For hardware development, we have used IoT technology and Arduino. Our product basically comes in the form of a small patch which can be easily attached to our wrist. When our forefinger is placed on the sensor, our product measures the temperature, heart rate and SpO2 percentage. And here is a picture depicting the practical usage of our product. Since IsoCOVID is an IoT device, the data collected through sensors is sent to cloud. The information in the cloud is made useful to the user through web application. This is the website we have designed for our product, through which the user can analyze his health status. Since IsoCOVID is an IoT device, the data collected through sensors is sent to cloud. The information in the cloud is made useful to the user through web application, and this web application allows the user to proactively check in on their health status. Website has a sign up and login page. Once the user logs in into the website, he can access the monitored data. The website also comes with medications and rules page. Through medications page, user can access different medications to be followed in different situations, and also when the heart rate or other parameters measured by the product is greater than or lesser than the ideal range, the product IsoCOVID notifies the user through a message. There are certain rules to be followed by home isolated COVID patients according to the Indian government protocol, which can be accessed through rules page. So here is a demonstration which shows the first iteration of our prototype. Here we have designed a variable circuit through which the temperature can be monitored in real time. Here we see the monitored parameter on system, whereas in the product it is displayed on OLED. For second iteration, we need to design a device with pulse oximeter sensor along with LCD display as shown. Further, the circuit with temperature sensor and the circuit with pulse oximeter sensor is combined to make the final design. And this design will be miniaturized to form the final product on which we are currently working.